Stop scrolling if your puff ends up looking like.
Let's get started.
It ends up looking like a flat too tight or uneven. Today I'm going to show you how I get this full neat puff in just a few minutes without putting too much tension in my hair. Let's get into it. Hi beautiful people, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending from where you're watching me. My beautiful name is Jacinta and welcome to the other side of Modesty. Today we are going to do a hairstyle. Like I promised you before, we're going to make a puff. Just to begin with, we are using clove water, and then tea oil, then a brush, a scratch, and then of course 2 combs and bobby pins with a string. So to begin with, moisturizing is essential. Moisturize your hair before styling. I never skip moisturizing. Dry hair breaks easily and a puff can cause unnecessary damage if your hair isn't hydrated. I'm spraying a little water first because water is moisture, and in this case this is clove water. Then I'll apply a little bit of oil. So this clove water has got oil in it. I used olive oil and coconut oil, and if you've seen me, I've applied castor oil because of my edges. So remember, hairstyle starts with healthy hair, a healthy style, that is. So don't soak your hair, you just want it slightly damp so it's easier to work with, like the way you've seen me do it. Number 2 is the step of detangling. As you see me, today's style is not all about too much detangling, but detangling with fingers is so much essential. You can see my hair is so soft, but very dirty. I wish I could just show you very close. It's dirty because I've not washed it in 3 weeks. I just feel it, but okay. Never rush this step because forcing the comb through knots can lead to unnecessary blockage. So just be gentle. And the next step I'm going to do is to create a puff. Like you've seen, I've used a string just to push my hair up. I'm using a puff band to gather all my hair towards the center, like the step I've done. I tighten it little by little instead of just pulling it all at once. This helps reduce tension and makes the puff look fuller, Then I'll fluff it out using my fingers until I get the shape I like. So this story of the puff of today, I wanted it to be sideways, but it just couldn't, and I was rushing out to go to church. So if your puff looks too small, don't panic. Use an afro pick or gently separate the hair with your fingers to create more volume. But in this case, I'm just trying to roll tuck the ends because my hair is long. So if your hair is short, apparently the style could have been done, but because my hair is a little bit longer, then we have to go into step of this step. So you just roll tuck, roll. Then at the end of it all, I'm going to pick all these stalks, and then I put them all together in one a section of the end. It's just simple, elegant, and perfect for work, for school, for church, or even running errands, and also for a date. I don't think I've done so many dates with the puff, but there's this date that I did long time ago. I'll be pinning here a photo, and it looked so good. I've never done a puff so perfect like that, although I was in a hurry, but it turned out so beautiful. So here I'm just using pins just to tuck everything in, and it's just simple. You don't have to look so perfect, but that area where my hair is dangling, don't mind. Again, I spray in with clove water just to make everything intact. For me, I lack my texture defined, so I'm going in and then tying off my scarf. It's going to stay in for like 5 or 6 minutes if you have time, that is. Then I'll have to come and remove it out. Look at it, baby girl. Extra points to tell you, I've been wearing puff styles for years because they're easy and versatile. And then one mistake I used to make was pulling my puff too tight. So nowadays I'm very gentle, and then always give your edges a break. Not every hairstyle has to be super slick. So this is the outcome, guys, and I just love it. I just love it, guys. So editing my nails, I forgot to cut that place off, but we're going to see what to do. And then to accessorize, I use these bridal pins. I've been looking for my one of a greater pin that is shiny. I've not found it, but let's just go in with these ones for the meantime, and yeah, just to accessorize. So a puff doesn't have to be perfect. Embrace the volume and texture. That's what makes natural hair beautiful. So that is it, guys. I give this video thumbs up if you like it. I want you to anticipate so many of styles coming in. So this tip I'm accessorizing with earrings. You know, I've never ear pierced, so this one are just tags, and my hair is done to be. I try to do the edges. But anyways, this is the final look, guys, and I'm glad that I created this puff. It did not come so much perfect as I wanted, but anyways, it's a tutorial that can help you. So it's just the volume of the center part for me, like it's everything. So if you are a first viewer, please subscribe, like, comment, and why not share. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram at Jacinta. If you're not born again, please receive Jesus. See you in the next one. Bye bye, guys.